Whoa. Aha. Okay, well that's the end of that pose. I needed that laugh.
Wow. Okay. Guess that's enough Zen for today. You're ferocious, little guy.
Okay. Guess not today. That's one way to come back to Earth. Little guy's got no idea what he's up against. Goodness gracious! Oh my word! He doesn't even care. Look at him. You're gonna wear yourself out, little one.
Well, I wasn't ready for that. Goodness me. He's fearless, isn't he? Oh, heavens. All right, little champion, settle down.